my channel, Inspired Birdy, for another Dollar Tree DIY for Christmas. So you see a bunch of items in front of you. I'm going to explain to you my thought process. Do not know what this is going to look like. I have no idea right now. I just have this image in my mind. So all of the items that I have from a decor perspective is I have all these little Christmas trees. Everything here is from Dollar Tree except for the paint. But I have all of these little Christmas trees that I might use. This is a Christmas tree that I actually tore off of like a Dollar Tree sign because I thought I might want to use that for something. I have two bows here. I have this Merry Christmas sign, but I'm really not sure what I'm going to use yet. But I'll tell you what my vision is. I've always wanted to have a Christmas light. I love this here, by the way. Super fun. But I got the idea by buying this at Dollar Tree. $1.50, by the way. Prices just keep going up. But anyways, and I have these lights which you get from Dollar Tree as well. Ooh, loud noise, sorry. But I didn't want to just have it like this. Then what came to me is these frames. So I hauled these frames back, I don't know, a few months ago. These are from Dollar Tree, and I picked up 4 of them. And it comes like that, and there's a lot of different colors. Well, not a lot. There's like this taupey kind of color and then a gray color. And then it has these signs off. So I want to pop these off. I want to paint them, and I want to bring them together as some kind of barrier around this light. So that's what I'm going to do. The only thing I'm not using from the Dollar Tree today is paint. I was going to use Dollar Tree white paint for these, and you can see I've already started painting them. But instead I decided to go with this bluish gray that I already owned, and that's because a lot of my decor is like this, and I might want to keep this item out beyond Christmas. So I decided to go ahead with this Benjamin Moore paint and yeah, paint them in those colors. All right, so let's get started and see how this turns out.